In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a subpage in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to connect your pages smoothly so people can move through your workspace without hunting around. First, open the Notion page where you want the link to live and place your cursor exactly where the link should appear. Now type a /. That slash opens Notion's quick command menu. Immediately start typing the word link. This narrows the menu to options related to linking, which is faster and more accurate than scrolling through the entire list. From the filtered options, choose Link to Page. This is the built-in Notion action that creates a clean, clickable reference to an existing page. It's different from creating a new page or inserting a web link, so make sure you select the one labeled Link to Page to keep everything inside your workspace connected. As soon as you click Link to Page, Notion will open a selector so you can find the exact page or subpage you want. You can scroll through your pages, but the quickest way is to start typing the page's name in the search field at the top. Notion will surface matches across your workspace, including nested subpages, so you don't have to remember where they're filed. When you see the correct page, click it to confirm. Notion instantly drops a page link block right where your cursor was. You'll see the page icon and title, which makes the link easy to recognize. Click the link to jump directly to that subpage. If you like working with multiple tabs, use your usual modifier key to open it in a new tab. And if you decide the link belongs somewhere else on the page, just drag the block to reposition it. Your connection stays intact. A few helpful notes as you use this. The link always reflects the current page title, so if the subpage is renamed later, your link updates automatically. If you're working in a shared space and someone can't open the linked page, they likely need access to that subpage. The link doesn't change permissions. Also, if you're linking from a template or a recurring note, placing links to key subpages up top can save a lot of time for you and your team. That's all there is to it. Type the slash, choose Link to Page, and select your subpage. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your Notion workspace neatly connected. Try it on your main dashboard or project hub and watch your navigation become effortless.